Hi, this is Maura. Today I'm doing a time lapse of these cornhole boards. I did originally build the boards, but I did it like 2 or 3 years ago and didn't think to videotape it at the time, so this is just the painting. For the Darth Vader image, I was able to find what I wanted online pretty easily for a nice crisp image. I couldn't find what I wanted for Yoda, so I created my own. I found an image that I liked, took it into Photoshop and reduced the colors to 3 colors, so it has kind of that brownish color and then just black and white. And then just took that image into Illustrator and traced the basic shapes, and then added some highlights and kind of tweaked it a little bit, but that was pretty much it. Then I took that image and projected it onto the cornhole and just used a basic pencil to draw the lines. Once I had the lines done, I could just take it back to the table and just use it like I would a coloring book. I made sure to print out the images that I made in Illustrator, or any program, doesn't have to be Illustrator, but printed them out and used them as my guide, so I know which parts to paint white and which parts to paint blue for Yoda or red for Vader. The colors I used were just Liquitex basic paints, acrylic paints, nothing fancy. This first part of the painting, I'm just coloring in what I see on my reference page. I'll go back in later to add some more highlights and some detail and give it a little bit more life, but right now I'm just painting what I see. Now I'm going back in for the highlights and some fun and just touching up wherever I think it needs to. I used a blue for the background on Yoda, but now I'm adding some kind of an aqua highlight here and there, just wherever I think it needs it, kind of trying to pay attention to where the light is already hitting Yoda, kind of that upper right, so trying to keep that in mind while adding the aqua. Little touch-ups of the black too, since I painted the cornhole black quite a while ago, so it was a little questionable. But if you don't wait 2 years to paint your project, you probably can skip that part. And I'm just repeating the exact same process with Vader. Although I love watching his face come out of the darkness. I'm sure that's fitting. I'm going back in doing the same thing with the highlights and the detail. And then I realized at the bottom is a little too black on his chest, so I come back in and add some highlights to give it just a little bit more depth and to kind of complete it a bit. I didn't show it, but I also put a coat of marine varnish on both boards before they were subjected to outdoor use. Gotta test out the new rig. We're just throwing it in, just trying to get it in the hole. And, well, not well. Aw, come on! Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and be sure to share. That really helps my channel. And I'll see you next time.